Hello and welcome to our fifth tutorial in the series on drawing the full figure. In this tutorial we're going to be studying the garments worn by monastic saints. When we think of monastics, one of the first things that may come to mind is their black garments. But in Byzantine iconography they wear colours. Colour plays a very important role in iconography in order to make the icons readable and to help project the depicted figures off the surface and into the same time and space as the viewer.